seconds to go. Start. However, the learned single judge observed that if the petitioner had not annexed such document with his original application and submitted the same subsequently after physical test but before the publication of the results, the matter shall remain in the discretion of the authority. Therefore, while refusing to issue any positive direction, disposed of the said writ petition for an appropriate decision by the authority to exercise the discretion and to consider whether he could be allowed 5 additional marks on production of NCC B certificate subsequently after the physical test but before the publication of the results, that thereafter under the Right to Information Act the original writ petitioner received the information that he was awarded 17 marks. His representation pursuant to the earlier order passed by the learned single judge came to be disposed of by the appropriate authority, refusing to allow 5 additional marks by observing that as at the time of submitting the original application he did not submit the photocopy of the NCC B certificate and which was filed subsequently after the physical test, he is not entitled to the benefit of additional 5 marks. The original writ petitioner filed the present writ petition before the High Court, being Civil Writ Jurisdiction Case number 7650 of 2009. The learned single judge, by judgment and order dated 1st October 2010, dismissed the said writ petition. After a period of 3 years, the original writ petitioner preferred the latter's patent appeal number 1631 of 2014 before the division bench. By impugned judgment and order, the division bench of the High Court has condoned the delay of 3 years and thereafter has allowed the latter's patent appeal, quashing and setting aside the judgment and order passed by the learned single judge and directing the appointing authority to appoint the original writ petitioner as constable, awarding 5 additional marks of NCC B certificate as per the select list forwarded on 8 September 2007. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the division bench of the High Court, the state of Bihar and others have preferred the present appeal. Shri Abhinav Mukherjee, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellants, has vehemently submitted that in the facts and circumstances of the case, the division bench of the High Court has materially erred in quashing and setting aside the well-reasoned judgment and order passed by the learned single judge and has materially erred in directing the appellants to appoint the original writ petitioner as a constable by awarding 5 additional marks of NCC B certificate. It is submitted that as per the advertisement, the applicant was required to enclose the self-attested copy of NCC B certificate along with the application form, and the original was required to be produced at the time of their appointment before the selection council. It is submitted that in the present case, the original writ petitioner did not produce the Xerox copy of the NCC B certificate along with his application form. It is submitted that the same came to be produced after the physical test in the year 2007 and therefore he was not entitled to the additional 5 marks of NCC B certificate. It is submitted that cut-off date for submitting the application was 22nd February 2004 and at that time the original writ petitioner did not submit the photocopy of the NCC B certificate. It is submitted that therefore Despite the above, in the select list dated 8 September 2007, he was awarded 17 marks. However, having found that he was not entitled to additional 5 marks of NCC-B certificate as he did not produce the photocopy of the NCC-B certificate along with the application form, which was the requirement as per the advertisement, the appointing authority did not allot 5 additional marks. It is therefore submitted that a right decision was taken by the appointing authority and the state not to allot 5 additional marks of NCC-B certificate. It is submitted that the learned single judge rightly dismissed the petition, which is erroneously set aside by the division bench of the High Court. It is vehemently submitted by the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellants that as per the settled position of law, the documents submitted at the time of application only shall have to be considered. Stop.